producing a powerful rescue technique using one arm and one leg for the rollover. The main advantage: after the flip, the victim is naturally better positioned compared to one or two arm techniques. This means less effort and saved time between the second rollover and the start of the return to shore. However, there are limitations. Reaching for the leg takes extra time with your head submerged, and in certain situations, it can be difficult to execute. Now, let's break this technique down step by step. Approach the victim from the side. Grab the victim and manipulate him so that you can quickly grab his wrist. Make sure the victim is positioned head first on the board. Carefully enter the water on the opposite side while maintaining your grip on their wrist. With your free hand, grab the board's handle and flip it upside down in one fluid motion. Place the victim's forearm against the underside of the board, ensuring their elbow crease rests along the rail. Move your upper body onto the board to reach for their leg. Hook the crease of their knee onto the rail of the board. Slide your free arm under their knee while keeping your other hand on their wrist. Position one or both knees onto the board. Extend your arms and shift your hips backward to rotate the board upright. Reorient the board toward the shore. Once aligned, climb onto the board, using your arms to support your weight first. Adjust the victim's position if necessary. Finally, position yourself with your head directly above their tailbone for maximum control and stability. Give it a try and let us know how it feels. Was it smooth? Tricky? Drop your feedback in the comments.